I just want to keep in mind that never be ashamed to share Atomy, because you know why? You are a problem solver. Sorry. You are a problem solver. Why did I say you are a problem solver? Because you have products that there are people looking for a solution, and you have a solution. Are they looking for a solution with their health? Are they looking for a solution with their skincare? Are they looking for a solution to use an organic or natural products in their household? You have it. You are a problem solver. And this is what I'm going to end my slide. In Atomy, it's all about you. And I want everybody to understand that whatever your past is, no matter who you are, I want everybody to keep in mind that you are enough. You are enough to conduct this business. You are enough as a person because you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God. You are enough to conduct this business because as an Atomians, it does not require anything from you, but only your dedication. Even if whatever your past is, you are still enough as a person, no matter what you have done, because Jesus Christ died for all, no matter who you are. And as an Atomians, whatever your painful past, your current dramas, whatever your current situation right now, or your educational level, you are enough to conduct this business. With Atomy, you have the chance to start a business and a chance to rewrite your life and a chance to leave a legacy. And that's my presentation for today.